Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying access and gathering essentials: URL, label, and any icon. Open your editor or CMS and create a new button element now. This avoids backtracking later. Use a descriptive label so users know the destination, and decide if the link should open in a new tab. For external sites, prefer a new tab. Once these basics are set, insert a simple anchor tag or drag in the button block. Make sure the element is selected before moving to styling and behavior. Next, you construct the link button itself and focus on usability and style. If coding, wrap the label with an anchor and add a button-like class. If using a builder, set the link target and choose visual options. Style padding, color, contrast, and border radius so it reads as a button, and add hover and focus states for clarity. Also include rel equals newpener for external targets and an area label to aid screen readers. This ensures both security and accessibility once published. Finally, you validate and finalize the link button. Test clicks across devices, keyboard navigation, and whether it opens in the intended tab. Inspect responsive layout to avoid overflow. Make sure contrast meets readability needs and the URL is exact. If something fails, clear caches, check CSS specificity or JavaScript interfering with clicks, and confirm there are no broken URLs. Often a typo is the culprit. Once everything passes, publish confidently. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.